you ever cleaned up one of your antique or vintage pulls and it just didn't quite have the shimmer you were hoping that it would? Didn't clean up the way you had in your head? Well, as opposed to spray painting it or doing nothing, let me introduce another option. This is called Rub and Buff, and this particular color is antique gold. And I use this on a lot of my projects just to add a little something extra and to get it back to its original shine. Let me show you how it works. So these little swab sticks are one option, and you'll just dabble a little and then rub it on the thing that you want to add a little extra to. And you can use these little sticks, or you can just use your finger as well. Dip some in and just rub it right on there. For this particular piece, it's got a decent amount of just little nooks and crannies, and so I am going to use the swab sticks, but to be honest, I don't usually just use my finger because I am fancy like that. And it just gives it a little something extra. So I think I'll do it around these edges as well. And a little bit goes a really long way. I think I've had this tube for, oh gosh, maybe 2 years. So it lasts. And you can go crazy with it and put on a ton, or you can just put on a little bit and it's good to go. I've used this on, see, I got a little too much there. Things got a little out of hand. So you just rub and buff it just like it said. Spread it out. It's wax based, and so you've got lots of control. If you make a mistake, just like I did, and boom, mistake fixed. I've used this on mirror frames. I've used this mostly metal, lots of little handles. I just had an antique piece I did more than just I am with these little pulls, but my mother used it on a metal table and then sealed it, and it's actually outside. The table's outside, and it's been going strong for a couple years now without any issues, and it just adds a little something extra. I will link everything in the description below. And again, this is antique gold, and it looks great. Here's the original. See, just subtle changes.